Hello, want to feel more organized, more productive, and have better outcomes on your projects? Keep your team on track and feel cohesive when working on completing large goals together? Or would you like to empower your teams with an agile approach? I'm so excited to tell you about the world's first and only complete Agile management board set by PMXBOARD. This is great for creating Scrum boards and Kanban boards, but skip all of that cumbersome startup time creating them yourself. Just unpack it and start using it. It's fully magnetic and pre-designed, but also customizable, making it perfect for any task, project, or goal you want to accomplish. It is designed by project management experts with years of experience in this field, making it easy for you to use and highly successful in helping you and your team stay on track. Make the project progress transparent to everybody, and most importantly, get the tasks at the right time done. Not only is the design perfect, but the materials are of the utmost premium quality and will last for many projects to come. The look is elegant, frameless, and it's light, under 6 pounds. Place it on the easel that comes with the set or hang it on your wall. You can even snap on another magnetic board too. Placing it on the easel can make your mobile Kanban or Scrum board, which is really an exciting key feature of the board. Another note is the high quality materials used in this board make it far superior to others on the market. For example, these magnetic cards have stronger magnetic properties than typical boards already on the market, so you don't have to worry about them falling off or losing them. All the accessories come in this box that you can easily store items in when not in use. Let's take a deeper look at the thoughtful design as well. The design is pre-laid out for you, or you can fully customize it for your particular needs. The column headlines can be changed with the empty column headline cards that come with the set. The point is for you to feel ownership over the board, keep you on track, and ownership of your tasks. This board fully allows you to do that. These unique magnetic cards allow you to organize all your thoughts and tasks easily for you to see everything clearly right in front of you and communicate better with others in your team. Snap the magnetic cards that come with the set anywhere you want on the board, or just use it as a whiteboard with the board markers that come with the set. The full magnetic card set can also be used with the task cards, story cards, alert cards. All of these cards are also a very unique part of the kit. The task cards come in 3 colors, so similar tasks can be visually grouped with color codes. The story cards are bigger magnetic cards for capturing user stories. The alert cards are red, so they're going to be great to alert attention to critical tasks on the board and focus on that piece. All of these cards are reusable, so you can easily personalize them, and your writing and information won't easily wipe off either. But once you need to wash it off, they're easy to clean and washable. They're also stackable, so you can easily use them wherever you need them, stacked on top of each other in any direction. Overall, you can see the design is thoughtful, the materials are high quality, and the attention to detail with the provided pieces set you up for success. Whether it's at school, in the office, at home, or just for your personalized use, this will get you started, get you organized, and help you feel accomplished and see results of any project you want to get done. Get your projects and life organized and on track. You'll be so happy you purchased the PMX board as well. Check it out today. You won't be disappointed.